Bollywood celebrity's second home in Goa. Akshay Kumar. This popular Bollywood actor has his second home in Goa. He bought a lavish sea-facing property there where he spends his holidays with family. The villa is an older style private villa located at Anjuna. He bought the villa in 2008 and the price of the villa was 5 crores. Priyanka Chopra. The global star Priyanka Chopra owns a lavish bungalow at Goa's famous Baga Beach. She bought the villa in the year 2013. She said it was one of her dreams to have her own villa in Goa. Whenever she gets time, she visits the bungalow with family. Shraddha Kapoor. In 2017, this young Bollywood actress and her family decided to buy a luxurious penthouse of their own at Goa. They bought their lavish sea-facing penthouse near Vagator Beach, which the family visited several times for their holiday purposes. Imran Hashmi. This actor's home away from home is also at Goa, which is a very luxurious penthouse, ideally located at North Goa. The penthouse is 4-storied and has all modern amenities. It also has a spectacular gym and the penthouse is a sea-facing one. Malaika Arora. Malaika, being a beach person, decided to buy a lavish heritage bungalow at North Goa in the year 2008. Malaika decided not to change anything about the villa and kept the Gothic look of the heritage villa intact. The architecture is Portuguese styled. Aftab Shivdasani. It was his ambition to have a holiday destination at Goa, which he fulfilled in 2007. His villa is furnished with materials from colonial time. This luxurious villa is situated at the spectacular location of Nagoa in North Goa, which he bought at the cost of 75 lakhs. Selina Jetli. Former Bollywood actress Selina also decided to have her second beautiful home at Goa's scenic village Moira, and the property is 150-year-old heritage villa. The actress has named her heritage villa Casa de Francis Selina, and she spent many holidays at the villa along with her family. Abhay Deol. This Bollywood actor also bought property in Goa and invested a huge amount of money for his bungalow at North Goa. Abhay Deol's environment-friendly bungalow is inspired by Michael Reynolds' technique. He bought this 1-acre property in North Goa in the year 2014. Sachin Joshi. Sachin is also among the many Bollywood celebrities who has a lavish house at Goa. He bought the famous Kingfisher Villa owned by Vijay Mallya. He made headlines for the amount he spent to buy this lavish beachside villa. As per reports, he bought it with 73 crores in 2017. Purab Kohli. This handsome Bollywood actor has also bought a property in North Goa in the year 2013. Purab's dream was to have a bungalow at the exotic location of Goa, which he successfully fulfilled in 2013. Mark Robinson. This Bollywood actor and model bought luxury row villa in Goa around 2006, and he bought it during a sale. He is a regular visitor of his spectacular beachside villa, which is situated at Nagoa near Kalagutte. Kimi Katkar. 1980s famous Bollywood actress Kimi Katkar left Mumbai, moved away to Goa with her husband and son in her private villa at North Goa. They moved into their private lavish villa in the year 2014, and their expensive villa is one of the interesting celebrity homes in Goa.